Okay, still William reported in Thailand. Actually, here this is okay. For this year, this is my first time for this business trip for working on the site now to do the working and inspection here. And actually, here this project is totally have six buildings. One building will be same like this way, and this is the three building connection together with around 300 dormitory house connection together. You can see the back side they have the second building, and then later we can see they have third building. Now still working. And also this back side here we are still working on some steel structures here. All this kind of steel frame for the container house is coming from our factory. Okay, see the back side. Now, okay, you can see the third building now. Actually, the third building is nearly finished everything already. Some people already living inside, and we will see the looking after the finished. Okay, sorry to see this rubbish, and then but still working now. Here, the second building, their connection. The noising from this machine. Okay, the finished building they have a small balcony connection together with every room. So now already some people are living inside. Okay, it's a looking. Still Williams reported in Thailand. I will be continue reported for you.